In this video, I will show how to find the displacement of an object when the velocity function is given. We're going to use the definite integral, and let's recall that when the velocity function is given and we're looking at the area under the velocity function on the interval from a to b, the interpretation of this area is the displacement of the object during between the times a and b. So that means to answer this question about finding the displacement of the ball between times 1 and 7, we literally interpret this task as finding the integral from 1 to 7 of a velocity function. So in this case, the velocity function is 100 minus 32t. And to find this integral, we're going to use the fundamental theorem of calculus. That is, we're going to find the antiderivative of the velocity. And we're going to evaluate it between 1 and 7. So we're going to plug in 7 first, and then plug in the value of this function at 1. So here we have 16 times 7 squared. So I have 784 here, minus 100 minus 16. So we have negative 84 here, minus 84, and we get negative 168. So we interpret this number as the object, in this case the ball, had a negative displacement of negative 168 not meters but feet. That is, at t equals 1, wherever it was. At t equals 7, it was 168 feet below where it was at t equals 1. So this is how we find and interpret this integral.